Hey guys, what's up? It's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something a little bit different from my phones and gadgets and accessories. This is the YESOUL G1M Plus stationary bike. Basically a smart bike for home workouts. If you hate nosy treadmills or gym memberships but want to stay fit, this might just be your vibe. So after the intro, let's see if it lives up to the hype. So let's start with the features and the setup. So I got the YESOUL G1M Plus all set up, and the first thing you notice is, yes, that screen. It's a 21.5-inch Full HD display, plenty big enough to watching cycling classes, scenic rides or even Netflix while you pedal. The screen even rotates 360 degrees, so you can twist it around depending on whether you're sitting upright, doing off-bike stretches or maybe just leaning back mid-ride. When I fired it up, I could mirror my phone, open an app like Peloton, Zwift or even YouTube, and instantly have workout videos on scenic rides on the big display. No special subscription required if you just want to use your own content. Then, the ride itself. G1M Plus uses magnetic resistant plus silent bell drive. That means pedaling is smooth and whisper quiet. No clunky chains, no grinding nose, perfect if you live in a flat or want late night workouts. Resistance is adjustable across 100 different levels, giving you real flexibility. Light warm-ups, cardio sessions, hard climbs, whatever you feel like on that day. The build feels solid. The frame is heavy-duty steel, with a stable, age-based design. So even if you go hard, the bike stays firm and doesn't wobble. Seat and handlebar adjust quickly. Nice if you want comfort or if multiple people use the bike. Different heights, leg lengths, you know. They also went for a vented, padded seat, especially comfortable if you ride for longer periods or get sweaty. Ventilation helps with airflow and reduces pressure. As you ride, the bike shows real-time data on the screen. Distance, time, calories, cadence, all basic and helpful metrics so you can easily track workouts without needing extra gadgets. Oh, and audio. Built-in dual speakers with decent bass. You don't need headphones or external speakers. Music, instructor voiceovers or scenic ride sounds come through loud and clear. And one nice little touch, a water bottle holder. Simple, but when you mid-ride and sweating, it's gold. So the setup was straightforward, and once it's ready, the bike feels stable, like absolutely no wobbles, nothing. I connected my phone and mirrored the cycling app Scenic Ride video. The screen handled video plus sound smoothly. Ride stats like speed, distance, calories, displayed neatly so you get full smart workout feel. Pedaling with magnetic resistance plus belt, drive felt smooth and quiet. No clunky noise or grinding. Ideal if you live in a flat or want to train discreetly. I began with a light warm-up, then increased resistance significantly. The bike held up well, seats stayed comfy even after 30 plus minutes. Felt more premium than a typical budget home bike, so having the screen, speakers plus app compatibility made the session surprisingly engaging. It felt more like a gym class, not just mechanical pedaling. And the more I used it, the more I realized. This bike actually ticks all the right boxes for home fitness. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it feels stable even when you push harder. The fact that I can just cast Peloton classes straight onto the screen without any extra subscription, that's genuinely awesome, and exactly what YESOUL designed for it. The comfort's been solid too. Proper seat adjustment and tight handlebar setup mean I can ride longer without getting distracted by sore or wobble. And honestly, I've been trying to find something negative to point it out, but so far nothing major. Everything has worked exactly how I expected, or even better than expected for a home bike at this price. It just makes the whole idea of working out at home feel more realistic and fun. Instead of forcing yourself to go to the gym or deal with treadmills taking up half the house, this gives you a proper cardio option that actually fits into everyday life. So yeah, a smart bike that helps you enjoy fitness, supports real-world goals, and doesn't pressure you into expensive hardware or subscriptions. So after riding this for a bit now, it's pretty clear who this bike is made for. If you want to stay active at home without gym memberships or bulky equipment, this is such an easy and enjoyable way to do it. It keeps things realistic with achievable fitness goals, not just intense training for athletes. Beauty, health, and sustainable lifestyle, that's exactly the vibe YESOUL promotes. And because you can just cast Peloton classes or other workouts straight into the screen with no subscription required, it makes top-tier home cycling way more accessible. Apartments, shared space, no problem. It's super quiet, short on time, quick 20-minute session is right there wherever you are. For beginners or everyday riders, it's honestly a perfect match. So yeah, big thanks to Yesoul to sending me this product over to test it out. I honestly recommended this bike for everyone who want a smooth, smart and fun home fitness experience that actually fits real life. So it was Akos from ATech Flow. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.